Hi, this is Eric, Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the water inlet valve on your Samsung dishwasher. If you need to purchase a new water inlet valve for your Samsung dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher's inlet valve controls flow of the water into the appliance. The valve opens and closes to allow the passage of water during the appropriate stages of the dishwasher cycle. If the water inlet valve fails, the dishwasher may experience water supply issues like not filling with enough water or simply not filling at all. Alternatively, if the inlet valve has a leak, water may seep into the dishwasher when not in use. A leaky valve can also cause the dishwasher to overfill. The water valve is not designed to be cleaned or serviced, so if it becomes clogged, it will need to be replaced. Note, in order to remove the inlet valve, you'll need to break the Odoker clamp holding the inlet hose in place, which means you'll need to replace the Odoker clamp to complete this repair. We'll leave a link in the description below to where we got ours. Note, the water inlet does not come with a new Odoker clamp. You will need to purchase one to complete this repair. To complete this repair, you'll need an Odoker crimper. First, disconnect power to the dishwasher. If your dishwasher has a power cord, unplug the dishwasher. If your dishwasher is hardwired, you'll need to turn off power at the breaker before disconnecting the wires in the terminal box, which is located underneath the dishwasher. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink plumbing or garbage disposal. Then, feed the drain hose and power cord through the holes in your cabinet as far as they'll go. Next, turn off the water shutoff valve for the water supply line. Next, open the dishwasher's door and remove the screws securing the dishwasher to the countertop. If your dishwasher is side-mounted, remove the screws from the cabinet, which may be located behind the cabinet seal or behind the plastic cap on the side of the dishwasher. You may need to lower the dishwasher's front leveling legs if it is too tight against the countertop. Now slide the dishwasher out from underneath the countertop, being sure to carefully feed both the power cord and drain hose through the holes in the cabinet. If your water line does not have enough slack in it to pull the dishwasher out, disconnect the water line from the house's plumbing and pull out the dishwasher. Or, if you're able to access the back of the dishwasher, use an adjustable wrench to disconnect the water inlet line from the dishwasher. Carefully flip the dishwasher onto its back on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. The base cover is located here on the bottom of the dishwasher. Using a Phillips headed screwdriver, remove the screw holding the base cover. Then, depress the 4 locking tabs located here on the base cover to remove it. Carefully pull the cover away from the dishwasher as it is still connected by an electrical connector. Next, gently but firmly pull on the wire to disconnect the leakage sensor microswitch. The water inlet valve is located here on the back of the dishwasher's frame. Then, using an Odoker crimper, break the clamp holding the water hose onto the inlet valve. Now, bend the clamp to remove. Using a flat-headed screwdriver, carefully remove the hose from the inlet as there still may be water in the hose. Remove the electrical connectors by grabbing the connector and pulling to remove. Then, flip the dishwasher onto its side. Then, using slip joint pliers, remove the elbow from the water inlet valve. Next, using a Phillips-headed screwdriver, remove the 2 screws and remove the valve. If you need to purchase a new water inlet valve, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag in your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. For Samsung appliances, use the longer version of the model number listed on the tag, followed by a dash and then the version number if one is listed. For example, this dishwasher's full model number ends with a /AA-00. The water inlet valve does not come with the hose clamp. You will need to purchase this separately, or you will need to buy it with the hose clamp kit. We'll leave links to both in the description below. To install, align the water inlet valve to the hole in the dishwasher's frame and set it into place. Then, reinstall the screws. Next, align the elbow joint and screw it back into place. Then, slide the new hose clamp onto the water hose and reinstall the hose to the inlet. Next, use a pair of Odoker crimpers to secure the hose in place. Then reconnect the electrical connectors. Next, flip the dishwasher onto its back. Then reconnect the electrical connector. To install, align the base cover to the frame of the dishwasher and press into place. Then, install the screw holding the cover to the frame. To reinstall, begin by installing the water inlet line to the back of the dishwasher. Or, if you have to disconnect the water inlet line from the house's plumbing, feed the water line through the bottom hole in the cabinet and reconnect it to the plumbing. With the dishwasher near the cabinet, feed the drain hose through the holes located towards the top of the cabinet and feed the power cord through the lower hole. Now push the dishwasher back a few inches underneath the countertop and continue feeding the drain hose and power cord through the cabinet. Repeat until the dishwasher is in place. With the dishwasher's door open, align the holes in the mounting brackets with the pre-existing screw holes on the underside of the countertop, or the screw holes in the cabinet if using the side mounting option. You may need to extend the dishwasher's front leveling legs to ensure a tight fit against the countertop. Then, reinstall the two mounting bracket screws. Reconnect the drain tube to the sink, plumbing, or garbage disposal. Now, plug in your dishwasher. If your dishwasher is hardwired, you'll need to reconnect the wires in the terminal box and restore power by flipping the breaker. And last, turn on the water valve. Finally, test the dishwasher and check for any leaks. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.